in this episode, I'm on my own. There's no Ed, and that's because Ed's had a childcare emergency. Nothing massive. I said emergency. It's not an emergency. It's basically he's got to do the school run. So unfortunately, he won't be joining me on today's journey. And today's journey is off to see Dale and Amy on a mission, which is awesome. And the reason it's even more awesome than it would normally be is because of what is happening to my Accord whilst it is there. Dale recently broke his CL9, which was a very nice example, but you know, he is a Honda Breaker, and that's what Honda Breakers do. And I've been fortuitous enough to get some of those parts for my CL9. Now, I'm not going to tell you what parts they are right now. I will do a bit of filming of some of them going on. And obviously Dale has started Project EG Civic, so, you know, K24 swap, here we go. So that's going to be really interesting to see the progress of that. But, I mean, I just can't wait to get these new bits on my car. It's going to be fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to it. It takes about 2 hours to get there, roughly, so it's going to be a nice trip for me. And yeah, hopefully the CL9 will make it. You know, I've got my new oil sump, I've got my new radiator. If you haven't seen the last episode of when Ed and I went to On a Mission, let me fill you in. On the way back, as we got back to Exeter, my radiator popped. So hopefully, with my new rad installed, my new thermostat, my new fan sensor that runs at lower temperatures, thank you Mishimoto and Ed, and my new sump and fresh oil filter, hopefully my car will make it there and back without a problem. In theory, it definitely should. So yeah, join me when I hit On a Mission, and we'll see what happens. Everybody's running away from me. The first piece from Dale's, rest in peace, CL9, is on my car. But what is it? Well, Amy, take it away. Got some sound. Ooh. Follow it up. Oh, I mean, finally I've got an exhaust note. There you go, Ed. You can shut up when we do tunnel runs now. Dale's checking, making sure everything is absolutely fine. Good, Blake. Come on.
The rest won't be leaking because I've taken anything off.
No. I'm very happy with how that sounds.
Good. What's the way in? She's warm now.
Oh,
Give her a rip.
awesome. Fantastic.
4-inch tips are only 1 inch bigger than OEM as well, so it's not too in your face. It fits the whole lot.
I've got a 4-incher.
4-inch tip, yeah. 2.
Oh,
But also they won't look lost in the movement.
no. And that's another story. Oh, I'm so chuffed. Give another blurb.
Do it some more.
here's number 2. Number 2 new part. I mean, the induction sound is slightly drowned out by the exhaust, but you can definitely hear it going like that. Bloody lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So here's the third mod. Some Euro R tail lights. Oh yeah. Amy, take it away. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. What a difference that makes. It's 100% those ones, isn't it? That's what a massive difference. And I've got a good exhaust on it now, and a better induction kit, and some other stuff in the boot that will be in upcoming videos. So yeah, look out for that. Ooh, beautiful. So I've stopped at Michael Wood Services. I left on a mission. I left Dale and Amy, and yeah, what an amazingly good time that was. I didn't film a lot, you know, I promised Dale and Amy I wouldn't put them on camera too much. But I've got the exhaust. I've got the Skunk 2 Racing Velocity stack induction kit on the car now as well. And arguably my favourite of the things I've collected off Dale are my Euro R light clusters. Now they look wicked. They look so good. I've also picked up, as you can see in the camera, I've got a lot of trim. So I finally, because Ed's not with me, which means that I didn't have to take another set of wheels, I finally got my Mugen side skirts and rear bumper valance. So that's very cool. I'm very happy about that. The only negative is because I've got my rear seats down, the exhaust, which is very loud, is even louder with nothing sound deadening in it at all. So Dale was right. At 3,000 revs, it is a bit of a drone on the motorway, but only because I've got the seats down. And I'm sure it'll be a completely different experience once the seats are back up. But great day. I want to say a massive shout out to Dale and Amy. They're both top people. I think they're great. On a mission, do amazingly good work. Somebody came for some EP3 parts whilst I was there, and you know, I mean, Dale knows his stuff. He knows his onions, and yeah, he really did sort of, you know, help this guy out with the bits that he needed amongst doing all the work on my car. So it was amazing. And my headlights are a bit rubbish. I've got a set of headlights from Dale that are cleaner. Yeah, they need to, you know, they've got, one of them's got loads of that sort of what looks like silica gel in, so I'm gonna have to take them out and give them a bit of a clean anyway. But I've got a free set of bloody headlights. Like, thank you, Dale. I can't wait to continue with this project. It's felt like a long time coming, you know, with the maintenance work after blowing a rad and then having the oil sump issues. But Project Sulk number 1, my CL9 Honda Accord Type S, is slowly but surely getting to where I want it to be. And you know, I couldn't do that without the help of the people that have helped me. On a mission, massively support the channel with the, you know, the parts they managed to get in, and they helped me and Ed out a lot. Obviously a massive shout out to Kaizen, shout out to Exo Racing. You know, without these companies helping us, and you know, Kaizen being the main sponsor of the channel, Ed and I would be a long way behind where we are now. So, you know, I'm blown away by the generosity of the people I've met in the Jap car scene generally. But you know, Kaizen being the main channel sponsor, On a Mission being one of our biggest supporters, Exo Racing helping out whenever we ask them to, you know, thank you guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications. Find us on all of the social media. We're not just on Instagram and Facebook anymore. We're on TikTok, even though I hate it, and Twitter, even though, again, I don't really understand it. But until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.